Good morning, students. I am Manjula Agarwal. Today we will discuss article writing. This is for class 9th and 10th. As you know, article writing is a long and formal composition. Generally, it seems that it is very hard or difficult to write. It is a piece of writing on a particular subject. One needs to have a good vocabulary, facts, and imagination. So, today I am telling you some important points when you write an article. Title. First of all, we should write title that should be eye-catching, short, not more than 5 to 6 words, or it may be in one word, and that word should be appropriate. So in this way we can say the title should be very attractive. And now the beginning of the article should be very striking, relevant, and original. It may be also started with rhetorical question in which answer is also there. So we can, have you seen this? Do you know what is the meaning of this? In this way we can start the article. Now it should contain appropriate facts, figures, reasons, etc. Suggestions on how to save and solve the paragraph. It may be in the next paragraph, and the paragraph it should be divided into paragraphs. Each paragraph should deal with relevant points, as for example linked with other paragraph. One paragraph should be linked with other paragraph. There should be connectivity. Logical development should be. And next is conclusion. Conclusion should be very clear. What do you want to say? It should be end by a sentence or a line that sums up the whole thing. It may be that we can end with the appropriate quotation, but quotation should be very relevant. And the style should be very simple and easy English. Simple English it should be. And there are variety of sentences. Now I am telling you format of the article. First there should be title. Next is introducing paragraph. Next is body, in which there are different paragraph, 2 or 3 paragraphs it may be. And next is conclusion. Now I am telling you that when we write any article, at that time we can follow coder. 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 C for collect your ideas. When you write any article, you need information, facts, figures, data, etc. So you can collect all these things from newspapers, magazines, books, internet, etc. After that, there is the need to organize them. Organize your ideas. Plan the sequence in which you are going to write. Next is D for develop or first draft. Now you have to develop your paragraph. What ideas can be included in and what are discarded. It should be relevant. And in which paragraph will you write anything. Next is editing. If there is any mistake, spelling mistake, tenses, etc., if there is any repetition, you can avoid it, you can correct it. Next and last is revise. You should revise it. If there is any mistake, then you can rectify it, and that is the final reading. Now this I think you are able to understand how to write an article in these points will help you to write a good article. Thank